How are you, Asadullah?
Good, and what about you?
I am good too, thank you. Asadullah, how is your father?
By the grace of Allah, my father is good. And what about you?
By the grace of Allah, my father is good too. Thank you for asking.
It's my pleasure.
By the way, where have you been?
I have been home. What about you?
I have been too.
Iram, I want to know about your mother. How is she nowadays?
How can I say, Asadullah? She has been ill for last 5 days.
Okay, inform your mother. I will meet to her soon.
Okay, Asadullah, I will inform her.
Assalamu alaikum, Khala.
Walaikum salam, Asadullah.
How are you feeling now, Khala? Iram told me you have been ill for 4 days.
My sugar is increasing day by day, but now I am recovering. And how are you, Asadullah?
By the grace of Allah, I am good.
How is your mother, Asadullah?
She is good, Khala.
Say salam to her from my side, Asadullah.
Okay, Khala. I'm getting late. I have to go. Take care, Khala.
Take care, Asadullah.